You ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Alright. So, good afternoon, folks.
Morning.
Well, yeah, sorry, yeah, Zach right. Morning, good morning, good morning. Today is what, Saturday?
Yeah.
Today we filming on our
Yeah,
Saturday.
Saturday.
Right.
It's Tuesday.
So we usually we just film on maybe a Friday.
What are you going on about?
You know, sometimes if things go according to plan, we
Okay,
run by
okay.
Subway and
Okay. Can we start with the film now?
today we're going to try to make a wrap.
Wrap?
That's the hitman, yes, the hitman, yo, you know it.
Chicken breast wrap.
Chicken breast wrap.
Right, so that means you have chicken,
Chicken.
vegetables,
Oh.
and some sauce.
Good. But we don't have any sauce.
Where we'll make sauce.
Okay.
We're doing grilled chicken.
Grilled chicken?
Yep, grilled chicken. So
Wait. I forgot something.
What?
Dangerous thing.
Dangerous things. So we in a kitchen, so it have dangerous things. So
Let me talk about the dangerous things.
right, see, take it away. Dangerous things. Tell us about the dangerous things in the kitchen.
Scissors, knives, hot water, hot stove, and oven.
Right, so these are the things we have to be careful around
Yeah.
kitchen, right? So the first thing we'll need.
Wait, what about a spoon? Not a spoon.
Well, a spoon could be dangerous according to how skillful it is.
but not a spoon. Weird. It makes me sick. Too hard to do my exercise.
See, it's very hard to feel any heat.
Yeah, but it's making me burn. I can hear it. It's just making me burn. Yeah, it sounds like it. Fire. Oh. Daddy, do you hear what my brother said? Do not touch the stove. Do not touch the stove. It's not a stove. It's a grill. I know it's a grill. Or you can hear it.
Yeah?
Yeah?
See it?
Yeah.
So we have garlic sauce, barbecue sauce, mustard, ketchup. it's not so spicy.
Isn't it?
No.
And not spicy?
Watch, then you're wrapping it like this.
I just want ketchup.
Alright, okay, alright, fine.
But barbecue sauce is fine.
Fine.
Yeah, it's a little bit
Alright, so you want to taste mine?
No, I want to taste my own.
Alright, well I will taste mine.
Is mine ready? How does it taste? Daddy, I thought my own was ready.
You seem very good.
Let me taste it. I want to taste a piece of it. It tastes very good.
What it isn't like?
It tastes like food.
Alright folks, so that was we burrito or wrap.
Yeah, burrito.
Burrito?
Yeah, burrito.
Well, I don't know.
Wait, Daddy,
Hmm?
burrito is food. Maybe.
Alright, flatbread sandwich.
Yeah.
Flatbread sandwich?
Fat sandwich burrito.
Sandwich, flat sandwich burrito.
Yeah.
Alright, flat sandwich burrito. So, don't forget to
Subscribe.
and
Like down below.
right, yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like down below.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna cut yours like this.
Did it?
Yeah.
Taking out the side.